The 2015 Toyota Camry, powered by a 3.5-liter V6 engine with a 6-speed automatic transmission. This vehicle is well equipped. This Toyota features dual front airbags, fog lights, and alloy wheels. Safety features include traction control, ABS, and stability control. Comfort and convenience features include leather seats, premium sound, and navigation system. Give us a call to schedule your test drive today.